Hey friends, this is Schaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. So in this video today, I will review another portable CarPlay screen. This is a 9-inch HD IPS touchscreen. It's from the brand called Hotpeak. It gives you basic functionalities like the wireless CarPlay, the wireless Android Auto, and also the mobile screen mirroring. It comes with two cameras. There's a 4K front dashcam as well as a 1080p backup or the reverse camera. Alright friends, so this is all you get inside the box. We get the standard user manual or the user guide. We get the 1080p or full HD backup camera or the reverse camera. You also get the aux audio cable. Then we get the power adapter. This is the cigarette lighter power adapter. Then we get two mounting brackets. This is a mounting bracket to connect it on the dashboard itself. So you connect this at the back of the portable screen, and then this sits nicely on the dashboard, and you've got some accessories to connect this. Then you also get another mounting bracket. This is to connect it either on the dashboard or on the windshield. This is a suction cup kind of a telescopic mounting bracket. You just need to connect this with the windshield or the surface, and then the other end connects with the back of the portable monitor. And then you can also adjust the length of this. It's called the telescopic kind of a mounting bracket. And then finally we've got this 9-inch portable CarPlay screen. Alright, so now let's have a closer look at this portable screen. Now I can tell you it's very lightweight, it's not very heavy. In terms of the connections, let's look at the front side. This is a 9-inch screen. You've got the built-in microphone right here. And then on top you've got the power button. On the right side you don't have anything. On the left side you have all the connections. So the first connection you have is the aux audio cable here. Not sure if it is visible on the screen. So first one is the aux audio cable. Then you've got the SD memory card or TF card. So this portable screen comes with a pre-installed 64 gigs of memory card. Then this is the AV in. This is for the backup or the reverse camera. And then this is the Type C for power. So these are all the connections on one side. Looking at the back, we've got this 4K front dash cam, and this is an adjustable dash cam, so you can actually change the length, and also you can twist it to change the view. And then you also have a built-in powerful speaker here. And then at the back you've got these two areas for mounting the bracket, so you can either mount the dashboard bracket or the windshield suction cup bracket. So this is it. It's a very slim design, as you can see. It's a slimish design. It's very lightweight. Looks quite nice. Alright, so now let me set this up in my car, and then we start testing the different functions and features of this 9-inch Hotpeak portable CarPlay screen. So keep watching, guys. So I've set this up nicely on the dashboard of my car. Now I've got a screen installed in my car already, so I'm not permanently installing this. I've temporarily set this up right in the middle of the dashboard, but you can set this up on the sides as well, or you can also connect this with the windshield. Depending on your preference, you can set this up. It comes with two mounting brackets, one for the windshield, which is the suction cup, and the other one is for the dashboard. For the reverse camera, if you know how to install it, you can do it yourself. Otherwise you might need some professional help to get it installed. Other than that, it's a plug and play kind of a device. You just need to set this up on the dashboard and connect it with the cigarette lighter for power. It takes a few seconds for the screen to then start. So it's a very nice, convenient plug and play, user friendly kind of a device that you can set this up yourself. Alright, so first let me give you an overview of the layout and the user interface here. So this is the main page or the home page or the landing page. As soon as you switch on the car, it will give you this screen on the page. So what you have here is, this is to switch off the screen if you want. You can adjust the brightness. This is for the camera, so you click on this, you get the camera view, and then you've got Bluetooth, so you can connect this with your mobile through the Bluetooth connectivity. And then these are the settings. So we click on the settings, and we'll get different settings here. These are the general settings, so we can set up screensaver. You can set the driver position, right hand drive or the left hand drive. You can adjust the brightness, assistive touch. You can clear all the connections. You can set a wallpaper. You can install your own wallpaper. You can connect the customer service. Then you have the camera settings, so you can set the record resolution, and you can set it up to maximum 4K. Then you have the timing, so this is basically the time or the duration of the footage of each file. Now this portable screen comes with a pre-installed 64 gigs of SD memory card, and you know, every footage that is recorded gets saved on that SD card, and you can set the time of each footage. So I've set that up 5 minutes, so every file saved on the card would be a 5-minute recording. Then you've got the collision sensitivity, and you can set this up to low, medium, high. You've got internal microphone built into this portable screen as well. You can have the mirror image or the backup camera. You can flip that, and you can also have the reverse line calibrations. Now my car already has an original backup camera installed, so I'm not going to install the camera that comes inside the box, but if you do that, you can also have the option of setting that up. You can set the line calibration and a few other reverse camera options. And then finally you have the settings here, so you can set the language, the sound, date, time, storage, format, and some other basic functions and settings. And right on top right, you've got you know, indication that there is an SD memory card installed. So right in the middle is where you have the date and time. You have icons to wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, mobile screen mirroring for iPhone as well as for Android. Then you can connect the audio from this screen to the sound system of your car as well, and you can play back any of the recorded footage that is saved on the SD memory card. So these are, you know, all the different functions available on the main screen. So what we will do is, in order to test the performance of this Hotpeak 9-inch portable screen, I will start testing the different functions and features here. Alright, so the first thing I would like to show you is the different options to connect the audio from this portable screen to the sound system of your car. So the first one actually is the speaker. There is a built-in speaker. It's a very powerful speaker on this, at the back of this portable screen. You can use that if you don't want to connect it with your car. You can also connect the Bluetooth connectivity through the mobile for the CarPlay and the Android Auto. You can also connect the audio wirelessly through the FM transmission. And it's a very simple process. You just need to go to the screen, select one of the FM frequencies, for example 106.0, and then on the radio of your car match the same frequency. And as soon as you do that, the audio from this portable screen gets linked to the sound system of your car. And if you don't want to do any of the wireless connections, you can use the aux cable, that's the physical aux audio cable that comes inside the box, to connect it with this portable screen and then connect it to the aux slot in the car. So that's the physical connection that you can do. These are all the different audio connections, but if you don't want to do that, you simply use a built-in speaker as well. It's quite a powerful speaker. So the first thing I would like to test is actually the wireless CarPlay. So we click on the CarPlay option here. We confirm the switch. The next step is actually go to your iPhone and look for this device, a new device. Might not be visible on the screen. It's the T86 Pro, this one here. Pair that device, allow it to sync the contacts and favorites, and use CarPlay. So a few messages, and then it will take a few seconds for the mobile to connect with the screen and take you to the home page of Apple CarPlay. That actually looks like this. So it's a very easy process, very quick to connect, and this is a one-time process. You just need to establish the connection between your iPhone and the screen once, and then every time you switch on the car, it will give you an option of directly going into the CarPlay platform without making the connection again, as long as the Bluetooth on your iPhone is switched on. So this is the CarPlay, and I can tell you the quality of the screen is very nice. It's very crisp, very clear. All the text is very nicely visible. I'm not sure if my camera is doing justice in capturing the quality of the screen here, but I can tell you it's very, very nice, very clear and bright as well. So you can actually use this at night without any issues. So this is the main home page or the landing page page of Apple CarPlay. Now I won't be taking you through the different functions and features of Apple CarPlay. I just wanted to see how easy it is to connect with the CarPlay, and it's very easy. It's a quick connection. So this is a landing page of Apple CarPlay. You've got the navigation on left, and then you've got some media and other shortcuts on here. You've got 3 application shortcuts here. You can also use Siri options, the command, voice command to use or operate the screen. You don't have to actually click on the screen. And then navigation, you can click here to get the full screen navigation. And as you can see, the screen is also quite responsive. So that's quite nice. And if you click here again, you get to see all the different applications that are installed and available on the CarPlay platform. So CarPlay, very quick to connect and looks quite nice. It's very, very clear as well. So now let's come out of it and then connect the wireless Android Auto now. Alright, so now let's connect to the wireless Android Auto system. So we click on the Android Auto option here, and then you get all the instructions on the screen on how to connect it. So I've got my Android mobile here. So what we need to do is actually go to the Bluetooth section here, add a new device, and then look for this T86 Pro, this one. Click on it, pair the device, and that's it. It just takes a message or two, and then in a few seconds we should be able to see the home page of Android Auto on the screen. There you go. So again, just like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is very quick to connect, and again, this is a one-time connection. You don't need to do this connection over and over again. As long as the Bluetooth on your Android mobile is on, as soon as you switch on the car, you can actually directly go into the Android Auto system like this. So this is the landing page of Android Auto. You've got all the shortcut icons here. You can also use voice command. You've got navigation here and some media playing on the right side. You can click on the navigation button to get the full screen view of the navigation. And again, the quality of the screen is very, very nice. It's quite bright, sharp, very clear, and the screen is also quite responsive. And then if you click on these buttons, you get all the different icons available, options available, applications available in the Android Auto system. You can go to the settings option, change the look and feel, the wallpaper. So Android Auto is also working quite nicely, just like Apple CarPlay. It's very quick to connect. You've got all the features here. Overall quality is also quite nice. So let's come out of it now. Alright, so this portable screen has this very nice feature called mobile screen mirroring. Basically, it will mirror the screen of your mobile onto the portable screen here. So I'll use my iPhone to do that, but you can also use the Android casting for Android mobiles. So let's click on the AirPlay. This is for iPhone, and you get all the instructions on the page on how to do it. Basically, you need to go to the Wi-Fi on your iPhone, look for this device as AirPlay. And then connect to AirPlay. If a password is asked, the password is from 1 to 8. And then as soon as the Wi-Fi is connected, drop down to the command center and click on this mobile screen mirroring. Then you'll get this smart screen option. Click on it. And then in a few seconds, we should be able to see the screen of your mobile mirrored on this portable screen here, just like that. So it's very quick to connect and looks quite nice. And it's I don't see much lag between the two screens, right? So let's move this. So it's not much lag. Quite nice. And this is, for me, the best feature on this portable screen. So you can play anything on your mobile, things like YouTube or other applications, and these will then get mirrored on the screen here. So this is Instagram. So now let's go to YouTube and play something. There you go. And as you can see, the built-in speakers are also quite powerful. So you can play any application, whether it's a video streaming app or any of the social media apps on the mobile, then it gets mirrored on this portable screen. And in fact, you can use your gallery as well. The photos that you've taken, the videos that you've taken, you can actually mirror that on the portable screen here. And looks quite nice. And again, the quality of the screen is very nice. Now, the other important thing with these portable screens is the camera. And the good thing with this screen is that it comes with a 4K built-in front dash cam. And what we can do is actually go to the playback and look for some of the recorded footage. So we've got, all these files that are recorded on the SD card. We can pick any of these and we will get the actual view from the front camera. And this is basically, I'm sitting in my garage, so I'll take this out, and as you can see now, this is the footage from the SD card, which I've then saved it on my laptop. And you can see this is so clear, very, very nice. You can easily read the number plates on the car around you. And the good thing is the wide angle, it's extremely wide from left to right. It captures everything. Very nice. The colors are nice, brightness perfect, and the clarity is just amazing. Again, this is a 4K front dash cam. So that's it, friends. This was a quick review of this 9-inch Hotpeak portable CarPlay screen. We've tested all the standard functions, features like the Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Everything worked amazingly well. It's very quick to connect. The two features I love about this screen, one is the front 4K camera. It's a very nice, very clear camera with a very wide angle. And the other thing I love is the mobile screen mirroring function. It's a very, very handy function because you can mirror your mobile screen onto this portable screen. You can play YouTube or other streaming apps and it gets then mirrored on the screen itself. So all in all, it's a very nice portable screen, a must have, especially for people who don't have any screen in their cars, or if they have a screen, it's not a multimedia screen. If you like it, if you want to buy this Hotpeak 9-inch portable CarPlay screen, simply go to the link in the description of this video. It will take you directly to the official store where you can buy this very nice portable CarPlay screen. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.